Welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me Pixel 7a device, and now I'm gonna show you how to improve your battery life. So firstly, you need to open the control panel and find here and disable all unnecessary features. So open the control panel, and if you are using Wi-Fi and mobile data together, so disable one of them, because all of them consume your battery power. If both of them are disabled, of course. Disable the Bluetooth if you don't need it right now. Disable nearby share and disable location services. To do it, you need to click on the pencil button, find location, move it to the upper part and go back. Now we can disable it. Click pause. Great. Then of course you need to reduce your screen brightness, because screen consumes a lot of battery power, but you need to open the screen in settings, so display in settings, and enable the dark mode, because we have OLED screen, and it means that in the OLED, when we have OLED screen, so dark places is the places where the display is just disabled, so not consuming battery power in the black places, of course, not in the dark, but in black places. And of course, scroll down and disable the smooth display. Without smooth display, you will have only 60 Hz, but your device will live longer. And of course, you can enable the battery saving mode. To do it, just open the control panel and find here battery saver mode. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.